Hi guys, and we are back with another video. Today we are making tables ready for my new Lego city when I get there. Went down to ikea yesterday, got a couple of tables, loads of legs. I thought it'd be fun just to show you all my foibles as I'm trying to build them. Hopefully it won't take too long. Got a couple of linens, whatevers, and some other bills. I know they don't match, that's the whole point. Makes it look like Lego-y. Sometimes you can't find things to match, so you just get things that work. It's a solution to every single problem. So I thought today, we'll build some tables. Right, where's me drill? Can you drill Lego? Just kidding. Screws. Was there any? Making sure I had the right drill bit in. So, lining this up with the holes. 5. Oi. Just aside to make it stable. Great. You want to fight me, don't you? Hey, and that's the first leg in. We're doing well so far. Let me know in the comments how you get on with ikea flat pack furniture. Ooh. Do you find it fun and fulfilling to build? I don't. If I get paid to have other people do it, I just might. But sometimes it's just fun to get stuck in. Stay. Turn the screws so they don't disappear. You can leave that for a minute. Oh. It's quite straightforward, this one. What can go wrong? At least there's no missing parts yet. And we're in. Great. So time consuming. Getting back onto a Lego thing, I measured it out. I can get 2 and a bit base plates on these. Oh, can't find the hole. What's going on here? What a place to put a label, I mean, really? Gotcha! Ooh. Oh, where's the thing? There we go. 2. Hopefully they're nice and straight and level. Oh. Screws. Oh, I know you can't see my head at the moment, that kind of the camera angle. Oh. Come on. Pesky. Gotcha. I find the hole. Drill. Drill bit disappeared. Where are we going? Come here. Oh. Nothing's ever easy, is it? And we're back on. Oh. Hey. Ooh. Can't lose those. So just move the table around a bit so I can. Ooh. And the final leg. And then we are nearly done. Well, this one, I shall make the other one off video. I'll just share one, as I don't want to bore you too much. 2, 3, where's the other hole? Yeah? Put the label right over the hole again. I don't know. Last one. And then we are good. There we go. Drill. Oh. Oh, uh-oh. Gone out of alignment here. Not that good. Gotcha. Aha! You thought you was going to defeat me, but no. Oh. So I measured this table out. It seems like a nice table. We can get 2 base plates across it with a bit of spare. So there's options. That's why I bought 2. And I'm going to put them next to each other. It's the beginning of the base of my Lego City. Not quite entirely sure what I'm going to put on there first, but to start. Some builders just show you the city on the thing. I'm going to show you every single step. From building your tables for the building of the base. Got to build it up in levels. Up in levels. You never know, I might even build a subway underneath it. Have a Lego train set go underneath. Create little subway tunnels. Let me know what you think about that in the comments. Would you like to see me attempt to build a subway under my town from here? That will do. It'll take a little bit of work, but doable. Then I can get some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles into subways. That is a plan I like. Don't know when they'll happen, but in the due course of time, we shall be attempting that. And voila, on the table. Ooh, all those over there for a minute. Let me flip it up, and hopefully it is level. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, come here. And there we have it. One level table. You can see my Lego in the background. Lego TIE Fighter. Half built Lego Ghostbusters car. But we are making progress. Ah, there we go. Nice close up of me. Yeah. Well, thank you very much for watching, people. Hope to see you all again soon, and keep building. Well, I'm going to be building another table. Hope to see you all soon. Thanks. Goodbye. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Leave lots of comments for me. I love to read them. See you later.